because there's been an update since I last saw you last hour. California officials have announced that they are expanding vaccination eligibility for all residents 65 and older, and this is in response to new guidance from the Trump administration aimed at speeding up vaccine rollouts across the country. Some disease specialists had said it could take 10 to 20 years to vaccinate the entire country at the current rate that's happening. LA County public officials haven't said yet if they will follow these new guidelines, but they will likely speak to it during their press conference, which is set to start in 10 minutes. California has been behind. As of Monday, our state had received more than 2.4 million doses, but less than 1/3 had been administered, partially because up to 40% of those eligible in the first phase declined to be vaccinated. But this expansion will pose some challenges. California counties are scrambling to find more healthcare professionals who could administer the shots and large facilities to offer them at. Disneyland is the super vaccination site in Orange County, where residents aged 65 and older were eligible for vaccinations as of yesterday. Here in LA, the super site will be at Dodger Stadium, and now we've learned that the Long Beach Convention Center will administer vaccines, and Long Beach Mayor Robert Garcia says the failure of distribution we've seen in California will not be happening in his city.
Few moments in our history have required so much of us. We are dealing with the single largest threat to life we have ever faced as a city. Nothing like this has ever been done before, not here and not anywhere. An emergency mass inoculation at this scale is unprecedented. And while you are hearing and reading some real horror stories that are happening across the state and the country, that is not happening in Long Beach.
As we approach the one-year anniversary of the coronavirus case, the first coronavirus case here in Los Angeles, the county is on track to hit 1 million cases by the end of the week. There were more than 14,000 new cases reported on Tuesday, according to the LA Times, which is also reporting 318 deaths in the county yesterday, which ties the record single-day high of deaths recorded this past Friday. As for news in the state, you may have heard that the stay-at-home order has now been lifted for the greater Sacramento area, which means those counties can go back to the colored tier system of reopening. But Ventura County is now worse than LA County as far as the rate of transmission goes, which is soaring, and hospitals are packed. There are 131 new cases a day there per 100,000 people compared to the 127 contracting the virus in LA. Those numbers are likely to change. As I mentioned before, coming up at 2 p.m., Dr. Barbara Ferrer with the LA Public Health Department is giving a press conference. So we will see you again with that update on the 3 p.m. news. But for now, reporting live in Hollywood, I'm Courtney Friel, KTLA 5 News.
All right, Courtney, we'll see you then. And free COVID